20 classic cars, prices starting at just $800. But hidden among them are big block cruisers, forgotten barn finds, a rare Mercedes Survivor, and even a Corvette project that could be worth a second look.
Number 1. 1973 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe, $4,850, Leachville, Arkansas. This 1973 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe is located near Leachville, Arkansas, and shows 27,771 original miles. Powered by a 429 V8 and automatic transmission, the car reportedly spent much of its life with its original owner before being brought back to the road. The seller states that major maintenance has already been completed. According to the listing, the Thunderbird recently completed a highway trip to Tulsa without issues and remains a comfortable cruiser. Aside from a couple of small rust spots and a non-functioning AC blower motor, it appears to be a usable and largely road-ready classic. Number 2. 1978 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, $4,500, Amelia Courthouse, Virginia. Located in Amelia Courthouse, Virginia, this 1978 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ is equipped with a 4.9-liter V8 and automatic transmission. The seller reports approximately 47,500 original miles and states that the car currently runs and drives. Information is somewhat limited, as the current owner admits the vehicle was not originally theirs. Even so, the combination of low-mileage, V8 power, and Grand Prix styling may make it appealing to buyers looking for a relatively affordable late 1970s Pontiac personal luxury coupe.
Number 3. 1964 Ford Fairlane 500, $4,900, Alexandria, Indiana. This 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 is located in Alexandria, Indiana, and retains its original 260 cubic inch V8 paired with the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. The seller states that the car starts reliably, runs well, and has received numerous suspension and brake-related repairs. Original paint remains on the body, creating a Survivor-style appearance with natural patina. While the front suspension could use additional attention and the body shows normal age-related wear, the car is described as solid overall. For enthusiasts who appreciate unrestored classics, this Fairlane appears to offer an honest and usable vintage Ford experience. Number 4. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $4,100, North Royalton, Ohio. Located in North Royalton, Ohio, this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza shows approximately 77,000 miles and remains a running and driving example of Chevrolet's rear-engine compact. The seller notes that the vehicle carries a clean title and has already received a replacement alternator. The car reportedly needs a tune-up in general sorting, but remains operational. For buyers interested in one of the more unusual American cars of the 1960s, this Corvair could provide an affordable entry point into ownership.
Number 5. 1971 Plymouth Satellite Custom, $3,250, East Canton, Ohio. This 1971 Plymouth Satellite Custom sedan is located in East Canton, Ohio, and remains largely original, powered by a 318 V8 and automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle has been sitting for more than a decade, but the drivetrain was reportedly in very good condition when parked. The listing places significant emphasis on originality and parts value. While its current running condition is unknown, the clean title, complete drivetrain, and collection of original components could make it useful either as a restoration candidate or as a donor vehicle for other Mopar projects. Number 6. 1968 Bradley GT, $4,500, Lucasville, Ohio. Located in Lucasville, Ohio, this 1968 Bradley GT is a fiberglass-bodied kit car built around Volkswagen mechanical components. Power comes from a VW engine paired with a manual transmission, and the seller describes the car as running and driving very well. Unlike many projects in this price range, the Bradley appears ready to be enjoyed immediately. Its lightweight construction, unusual styling, and limited production numbers make it one of the more distinctive vehicles in this batch.
Number 7. 1971 Chevrolet Impala, $5,000, Macon, GA. This 1971 Chevrolet Impala is powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission and is located in Macon, Georgia. The seller states that the engine runs well, the transmission shifts properly, and the frame remains solid. Body condition is described as generally good, with functional doors and windows. The main issues involve floor repairs and minor trunk rust, both of which are common concerns on large GM cars of this era. Even so, the vehicle appears to remain a usable full-size classic with restoration potential. Number 8. 1968 Chrysler Newport, $5,000, Tallahassee, Alabama. Located in Tallahassee, Alabama, this 1968 Chrysler Newport is equipped with its factory 383 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller reports that major features, including power steering and power brakes, function properly, and the car has also received new tires. Adding to its appeal, the original factory build sheet is included with the sale. Based on the description, this Newport appears to be a complete and functional full-size Mopar cruiser that may appeal to enthusiasts seeking something less common than a muscle car.
Number 9. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $5,000, Wycliffe, OH. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe project is located in Wycliffe, Ohio, and includes a substantial collection of performance-oriented components. The car comes with a 5.0-liter V8 setup, 5-speed manual transmission, upgraded fuel system, aluminum radiator, suspension parts, and numerous other modifications. Although the listing describes the car as a roller rather than a finished driver, many expensive upgrades have reportedly already been purchased. For someone looking to complete a first-generation Mustang build, this project could provide a strong foundation. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $5,000, Elkin, NC. Located in Elkin, North Carolina, this 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is powered by a built 350 V8 featuring performance upgrades such as aftermarket cylinder heads, intake manifold, carburetor, camshaft, headers, and ignition components. The seller reports that the car runs, drives, and rides exceptionally well. While the interior and exterior still require restoration, rust is described as relatively minor and the underside is reportedly clean for its age. With its upgraded drivetrain and roadworthy condition, this Monte Carlo appears to be one of the stronger driver quality projects in the group.
Number 11. 1978 Ford Fairmont, $4,000, Avoca, Michigan. This 1978 Ford Fairmont coupe is located in Avoca, Michigan, and is powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-six paired with an automatic transmission. Showing just under 140,000 miles, the seller describes it as a California car that still runs and drives well, with no reported leaks and smooth transmission operation. The car also retains factory air conditioning and its original emissions equipment. One of the interesting aspects of this Fairmont is its place in Ford history, as it shares much of its Fox platform architecture with the later 1979-1993 Mustang. Because of that, parts interchangeability and V8 swap potential have made these cars increasingly popular among enthusiasts. As it sits, this appears to be a complete and usable survivor rather than a major restoration project. Buyers looking for an uncommon late 1970s Ford coupe may find it an interesting alternative to more familiar muscle car projects. Number 12. 1974 Ford Maverick, $4,000, Hiram, Georgia. Located in Hiram, Georgia, this 1974 Ford Maverick is described as a clean and largely original example. Power comes from a straight-six engine backed by an automatic transmission, and the seller states that a title is included with the vehicle. The listing provides few additional details, but originality appears to be one of the car's strongest selling points. Mavericks have gained popularity in recent years due to their simple mechanical design and compact dimensions. While a personal inspection would be needed to determine its overall condition, this example appears to offer a straightforward entry into classic Ford ownership without requiring an immediate full restoration.
Number 13. 1965 Ford Falcon, $3,000, Albion, New York. This 1965 Ford Falcon four-door sedan is located in Albion, New York, and shows approximately 189,000 miles. The seller reports that the vehicle starts, runs, and drives, while also noting that numerous new parts have recently been installed.
Specific upgrades are not listed, but the Falcon's reputation for simplicity and durability has helped make it a favorite among budget-minded classic car enthusiasts. Its compact size and straightforward mechanical layout can also make maintenance relatively approachable. Although the mileage is high, the fact that it remains operational gives it practical appeal. For buyers searching for an affordable classic driver rather than a showpiece, this Falcon could be worth considering. Number 14. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, $4,650, Sullivan, Indiana. Located in Sullivan, Indiana, this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 is being offered as a barn find restoration candidate. Under the hood is a 352 cubic inch big block V8 paired with a rare 3-speed automatic transmission. The seller believes the car is largely original and notes that the chrome trim remains in excellent condition. According to the listing, rust is minimal, with solid floors, trunk, and fender wells. The vehicle has reportedly been off the road for around 8 years and currently needs a battery and brake work before returning to service. For enthusiasts seeking a full-size Ford project, this Galaxy appears to offer a solid foundation with desirable original components and relatively limited structural deterioration.
Number 15. 1970 Plymouth Satellite, $3,000, Newark, Illinois. This 1970 Plymouth Satellite project is located in Newark, Illinois, and comes equipped with a 318 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller includes a clean title and describes the car as a southern vehicle with a generally solid structure despite several areas requiring metal repair. The needed work includes quarter panels, trunk pan repairs, Dutchman panel replacement, floor patches, and attention to a rusted section beneath the battery tray. The seller also has period-correct bucket seats and a matching rear seat available separately. While clearly a project, the car retains many desirable Mopar attributes and may appeal to buyers looking for an affordable starting point in the increasingly expensive world of 1970-era Plymouths. Number 16. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL, $4,500, Massillon, Ohio. Located in Massillon, Ohio, this 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL recently emerged from approximately 25 years of indoor storage. Powered by a 4.5-liter V8 and automatic transmission, the sedan now runs and drives, though the seller notes a slight idle hesitation that may require minor ignition-related troubleshooting. Considerable mechanical work has already been completed, including new tires, rear brake components, fuel system refurbishment, thermostat replacement, and suspension repairs. The car also retains several original luxury features, such as a Becker radio, cassette deck, and functioning power antenna. While not flawless, the vehicle appears to be a largely complete and operational example of Mercedes-Benz flagship luxury sedan from the 1970s. Its extensive recent maintenance could save a future owner significant time and expense.
Number 17. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, $1,000, Ottawa, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet Corvette project is located in Ottawa, Illinois, and is being sold primarily as a parts car. The vehicle includes an L48 350 V8 and automatic transmission, and appears to be largely complete despite sitting unused for more than 8 years. The biggest drawback is the absence of a title, which limits restoration possibilities in some states. Additionally, the seller does not know whether the engine remains operational after its long period of inactivity. Even with those concerns, complete C3 Corvette projects at this price level are becoming increasingly uncommon. For parts, drivetrain components, or a highly ambitious restoration, the car may still offer value. Number 18. 1962 Chevrolet Impala, $3,200, Walker, Iowa. Located in Walker, Iowa, this 1962 Chevrolet Impala has been converted from a 4-door configuration into a 2-door style project. Power comes from a 350 V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, and the engine reportedly runs. The seller notes that the car currently does not drive and requires several mechanical components, including a water pump, radiator, alternator, and drive shaft. The frame is described as solid, though rest holes remain present in the floors. Because of its modified body configuration and unfinished mechanical work, this Impala is best viewed as a project. However, the running V8 and manual transmission combination may appeal to enthusiasts willing to complete the build.
Number 19. 1975 Buick LeSabre, $3,500, Beaver Creek, Ohio. This 1975 Buick LeSabre is located in Beaver Creek, Ohio, and features a custom chopped roof treatment inspired by traditional Carson top styling. Power comes from a Buick 350 V8, and the seller states that the car currently runs and drives. Additional exterior components, including the grille and taillights, are included with the sale. Aside from that, little information is provided regarding the vehicle's overall condition or restoration history. Its custom appearance makes it stand out from typical LeSabre listings. Buyers interested in vintage custom cars may find it more appealing than a standard stock example. Number 20. 1976 Jeep Wagoneer, $800, Crivets, Wisconsin. Located in Crivets, Wisconsin, this 1976 Jeep Wagoneer is being offered as either a restoration candidate or a source of parts. The seller clearly states that the vehicle does not run and does not include a title. Very little additional information is provided, suggesting that the Wagoneer has likely been sitting for an extended period. Potential buyers should expect significant work before any attempt at returning it to the road. Even so, early Wagoneers have developed a strong following in recent years. At just $800, the value may lie primarily in its remaining components, body panels, trim pieces, or drivetrain parts for other Jeep projects. Which one would you take home? The low-mile Thunderbird, the barn-find Galaxy, the Mercedes 450 SEL, or that bargain Corvette project? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more affordable classic cars from across America.